I don't know how to really love you. No one's ever really showed me. I don't know how to really hold you. No one's ever really told me. And I know why you mean when you talk of the stars above the reservoir. And I know why you mean when you tell me I'm locked inside a ball. And I know why you mean when you say something in the way. You won't find the bees making honey in my tree, and you won't find the seas flowing in my dreams. They're not flowing as free as they're supposed to be, and you won't find the keys to happiness with me. La da 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 da.
Beautiful boys. Tell you what. Superb.
Cheers, lad. Nice one.
That's smashing.
Nice one, Doug. I'm gonna say.
Might be. Alex, a little bit in your face with the camera there, like that, looking in your face.
I've got a shout out to you, right? Just dead quick, because they're listening. The fans in Ireland, right? Shout out to Tommy, Stephen, Fra, and the girls, and Uncle Robbie Ross as well, and that's it then.
And obviously all our Mars, because it's Mother's Day.
Oh, say my name's Steve Brannigan, lad. You got Mother's Day in. All our Mars, Brannigan won that. Hey, I had a little goal, but Brannigan won the war. Brannigan won the war with Mother's Day there.
Is right, lads, that was fucking brilliant. Just as I expected. I don't know what the video quality is going to come out like, because this is the on top of your head.
Rave.
Yeah, it just look like a rave.
Yeah.
Looks like the 051 or something.
It's alright. All our houses look like this anyway, so it's fine. You made us feel that old.
That old, yeah.
If I had this in my room, I'd be in it all day.
If we were
I would not be going outside.
This is what my dad's dreams are like. Just wobbles, dancing around to lights.
Right, boys, is there anything you'd like to say to the listeners before you get off this evening?
Yeah, nice one for listening.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All our usual fans, obviously, and anyone else new listening to us, have a listen to Facebook, Twitter and all that. Get on us.
And your next gig?
This Friday, Kitchen Street.
Not Sink Street.
Kitchen Street. Yeah, Kitchen Street.
And my dad as well, shout out to my dad, round town regular.
Yes, isn't he just? Yeah,
Friday
legend,
before,
Phil.
we'll be giving it everything, including. Give it that.
Right, we're going to crack on. I'm going to say goodbye to the lads now, and we will hopefully try and get some more tunes on. It's been a bit of a long one. It's been fun though, guys. I shall see you very shortly. This is Marty Bum, Arctic Monkeys.
Frowning, it's like looking down the barrel of a gun and it goes off. And how come all these words? Oh, there's a very pleasant side to you, a side I much prefer. It's one that's laughs and jokes around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. And it was up, up and away. Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on. Now the money bum, oh, I'm in trouble again, aren't I? I thought as much. the one that I can't bear. Well, can't we just laugh and joke around? Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. And it was up and away. Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on. And yeah, I'm sorry I was late, but I missed the train and then the traffic was a state. And I can't be asked to carry on in this debate that reoccurs. Or when you say I don't care, but of course I do, yeah, I clearly do. Cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. And it was up and away. Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on.
Just
What's happening? This one's by Cal Ruddy. It's called Stop Before You Kill Me.
When I'm weak and I'm down and I don't know who I am, color of my dreams are a deep, deep side of blue. Someone passed the whiskey 'cause I feel I'm coming down. Stop, stop before you kill me. Stop, stop before you kill me. Let's paint the city, run and become. Preach it to the rooftops in the cool light of day. Wake up and riot, all you've ever wanted. Stop, stop before you kill me. Stop, stop before you kill me. I'll take you through the city streets, I'll take you by the hand. Show you what'll happen when the child becomes the man. I'm not scared at all, she said, won't you let me in? Stop, stop before you kill me. Stop, stop before you kill me.
Do
you want me to do it?
This is fire. Yeah. Oh, yeah, go ahead, you do it.
Because I know them anyway.
You're actually laughing there now.
Yes, that's what we like. Just sing.
True professional. What is it?
So yeah, this is Sam from the JJohns, and this is Fire with Fire by Leap of Faith.
Yes.
She looks over to me, I look right back at her. In my leather jacket, Levi jeans, and my messy long brown hair. I walk over to her, her eyes ask the question, what are you gonna do with me? Now you got my attention, I will try to right the wrongs I've done and chase the setting sun before it's too late. Now it's time to fight fire with fire and chase our desire.